To our distinguished guest speaker, Sir Gelson D. Bangoy, the school's division superintendent of the Division of Surigao Sur, Dr. Lorenzo O. Macasuco, CISO 5, the Tago District Supervisor, Dr. Lablea B. Alvarello, barangay officials, to our teachers, thank you for patience, dedication, and all the effort you put into us. Sa pagiging pasaway namin, na siguradong nagdulot ng mental stress sa inyo, sobra pong aming respeto at pasasalamat sa inyong walang katapusang pasensya at pag-unawa. You didn't just teach us lessons. You taught us life skills, values, and how to be our best selves. Those taps on the shoulder, gentle smiles, and even the discipline, they made us stronger and ready to take on the role. Thank you for shaping us, inspiring us, and believing in us. I want to say my deepest, biggest thank you to our parents and guardians, especially to my papa and mama. Sa pagiging iyakin ko noong kinder, salamat ma, hindi mo ako sinukuan. Ika nga ni ma'am, dalawa tayo nag-graduate ng kinder. Kay papa, salamat sa paghatid at sundo mo sa akin sa eskwela. Honestly, there are no words big enough for everything you've done for us. To my manang, manong, ate and kuya, my titas and titos, and relatives, thank you for your financial and moral support. You've been there every step of the way. Your guidance, encouragement, and love have been my rock, my motivation, and my inspiration. Honestly, all of you are reasons why I'm standing here today. And I just want to say, I see you, I appreciate you, and I love you all. To my fellow graduates and friends, let us conspire with the friendship we have cherished, in words and deeds, to spread goodwill and the culture of excellence whenever we may go. We end up one glorious chapter of our lives, and the new one will begin. New adventures, new friendships, and new series of struggle. But with what we learned from Cagdapo Elementary School, let's keep boldly stepping towards fulfilling our dreams and aspirations. We want to express our gratitude to our beloved alma mater, the development of assess, and the correction of undesirable values, which I considered myself. A building designed and carved into a perfect piece of art. We also extend our thanks to our SPTA and barangay officials who work for our cause. You were always behind us when we needed help and support. To our beloved guests, thank you for coming here to witness our graduation ceremony. Thank you for gracing this occasion. To our visitor, Ma'am Nori Jane Martinez, your presence at this momentous occasion makes our hearts filled with gladness. We are happy to see you come and witness our graduation day. Above all, we thank the Lord for giving us strength and enlightenment, enabling us to finish 7 years in elementary. Once more, beseech your blessings and facing our next journey, high school life. Sometimes, even at times, when we run out of enthusiasm to study and work things out for the best, always remember, we have our parents and teachers who have always been there beneath our wings. And above all, the ultimate glory of God shall be our weapon to face challenges and situations ahead of us. The same, Filipino graduates prepared to live with competence and character. A true Filipino leads not only with knowledge and skill, but also with gratitude, humility, and a strong character. We will be in vanguard in building a progressive and we will be in vanguard in building a strong and progressive nation. Like Ariana Grande says, don't stop me now. We're not stopping, we're glowing, growing, going all the way. So let's step forward with confidence, gratitude, and a little sparkle. because this isn't the end. It's just the beginning. Together, we've got this. Together, we're unstoppable. Class of 2026, let's go out there. Shine bright and flame. Mabuhay at maraming salamat.
This time is the pledge of loyalty to be led by Kerr